this.
That is yours.
What the heck is it? It's the West Bank. What the heck is this supposed to be?
It's a telephone book.
You got me a stupid telephone book?
Yeah, it's kind of cool. You got everybody's number on the West Bank. You like using a phone.
I just call my friend. I don't like to call people on the West Bank.
You got the whole West Bank in your hands.
So, I'm going to call people on the West Bank. I don't even know nobody on the West Bank.
So you don't like it?
I don't like to use a phone book to call people on the West Bank I don't even know. What the heck? You're crazy.
You mad?
Yeah, what the heck?
It's a Christmas present. How can you be mad?
I'm mad because you got me a phone book that I don't even know nobody on the West Bank. You're crazy.
What's valuable information?
What the heck? Using a phone book is valuable information about the West Bank? I don't think so. What the heck is it? I like the cover, but I don't like nothing else about it. This stupid pig. Just take me off. Just about take me off.
No, don't be ungrateful.
What the heck am I supposed to do with that thing?
Look up people.
That is not right. I'm not looking up nobody on the West Bank. I don't know nobody on the West Bank. You're crazy. Dang crazy. Want me a phone book on the West Bank?
And why are you laughing?
Oh, this is stupid. Give me a stupid phone book with all people on the West